Today, I am going to teach you how to turn your drawings from this into this. So let's go right into it. Crosshatching with straight lines will make your drawings look two-dimensional, so remember to crosshatch with curved lines and make sure to follow the shape of the object that you're drawing on. If the object you're drawing on is straight, then crosshatch with straight lines. If not, you have to crosshatch with curved lines. Make sure to know where your vanishing points are. A vanishing point is the spot on the horizon line where the parallel lines start to disappear slowly, so remember to use those correctly. If the proportions to your drawing is wrong, then your drawing is going to look wrong unless you're going for caricature style. So remember to go and check out if your proportions are right before you actually go on and start rendering or shading your drawing. The kind of lines that you make when you're drawing really fast are the kind of very fluid lines that you can't actually make when you're drawing really slowly. So try this out the next time you're drawing and you'll actually surprise yourself in the end product. But make sure to go not too fast in the inking unless you're professional. So what I want you to do is go check Jim Lee's drawings before you actually go and try this technique. Go watch him. I'll put a link in the description for one of his videos and you'll surprise yourself.
I'm wearing a happy as a quarantine here, but thank you so much for watching. New videos coming soon. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time. So, bye!